Hi, Crystal here from Christico Design. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful little stitch called the extended single crochet stitch. So we'll start with a loop on our hook, and for rows already created of this stitch, you're going to insert your hook right next to this vertical piece here. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through just one loop on your hook. Yarn over and pull through two. So we've made a chain and a single crochet, and then we're going to chain one. Again, we're going to insert right to the right here of this vertical strand. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over to chain one. Yarn over, pull through two to make a single crochet, yarn over to make a chain one. Once you get the hang of this one, it is so fast. It works up so quickly, and I just love the texture. It has great drape and movement to it, and it's a great stitch for scarves, blankets, clothing. The end of your rows here, we have a chain three from the previous. We're going to insert into the second chain, 1, 2, and we're going to end with a chain one single crochet. So that's your extended single crochet. And then we'll turn our work and start with a chain three. So just like the front side, the back here, you'll also insert into the right of that vertical. See, we're skipping this first one. Got our chain. Insert here and continue with our extended single crochet.